In this video, I'm going to remove the steering box from my W124 project. At the end of this video, I'm going to demonstrate how much wear is in this box. And I'm calling out for all the steering box experts out there to tell me if I'm wasting my time with this box. I have a feeling it might be junk and its wear might be excessive. I don't think it's ever been adjusted before. The paint is original on the adjustment, but who knows? Maybe I can save it. Just let me know what you think at the end of the video. This is just the process I went through to remove the box. It's not overly complicated. Obviously it's a lot easier because of the fact that there's no engine in there, and I've already disconnected the drag link and the driver's side tie rod. This heat shield comes out with two screws. There's just one at the top and one at the bottom. They're both 8mm. The top one seems to be a self-tapping type, and the bottom one is a fine machine thread screw. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. I'll let you watch the process. This coupling did put up a bit of a fight, not the actual unscrewing part, but its grip seems to be relentless on the steering box shaft, and it just doesn't want to let go. There wasn't any rust or anything like that. I think it's by design that way. It did come off eventually, but I had to rock the box back and forward, and eventually it came out. It wasn't a case of just sliding down. I did have to rock it back and forth. I seem to recall reading that these 15mm bolts are stretch bolts, and there's a certain specification you have to tighten them to. Naturally, I'll do that when it comes time to reinstalling my resealed box. I think you may have to use new bolts as well, but I will check the service manual before I install the box anyway. Now for the steering box experts, it's your time to shine. Have a look at how much play there is in the movement of the pitman arm when I start showing it shortly, and tell me if this is acceptable. In my opinion, it's not by a long shot. And it's not just this way in the center position, it's this way in every position. Is this normal? I don't know. Is it this way because there's no fluid flowing? Perhaps. You tell me. I'm not a steering box expert. Let me know in the comments below.